fact I can't get away from you. Broken hearts were made for two, I guess. And it's so confusing, finding the right ways to it.
Oh my God, how you get all that food?
See, you all on my dick. You done made me drop the damn.
How you get all that food?
Yes, I am. Don't worry about me.
Express being love, it's a fear, it's a drug we do, I guess. An addiction we won't admit. Oh, baby, you should know that.
Hey y'all, so it's Galentine's night with the girls, and I just pulled up to Lala them house. But y'all already know I just recently got out of the hospital, and I kind of wanted to come over here early and take a bath because I didn't want to take a bath and go back in the wind, because as y'all know, I was just in the hospital with pneumonia and I don't want to go back to that phase. So I came over here kind of early so I could take a bath, and that way I won't have to come back out the door, because I was going to take a bath at home, but I'd rather just take a bath over here so I don't have to come back out the door. So let's get into this. I'm going to take y'all in the house with me, and y'all about to enjoy my night with me and the girls. I hope everybody's out there having fun. If you don't have a Galentine's, hopefully you will have you a good little Valentine's. If you don't have a Valentine, I mean, hopefully you will have you a good Valentine through this video, living vicariously through me, because y'all know I be outside sometimes. I don't really be outside, but I do like to have a little fun. Trust, I don't have a man, I don't have a Valentine, so me coming to a Galentine with the girls is like chef kisses right now. Super excited, and I'm about to take y'all along with me. All right, y'all, so I just got to the house and nobody's here yet, but they did start setting up. How cute. It was something that was last minute, but this is, I guess, the food area. They did start setting up a little bit. I'm about to go jump in the shower and talk to y'all for a little bit. Oh, this is so cute. I'm so messy. Oh my God, I need to start up people business. Oh my God, I can't believe. Oh, I'm finna get on Dodo ass. I'm gonna get on her ass. But anyways, yeah, so they did start setting up already, and I'm about to go jump in the shower and let them know that I am here. You can tell like they're not finished with the decorations or whatnot. And yeah, we about to get into it. I get my makeup done at 8, so I'm also gonna take y'all along with me quickly to get my makeup done, and we'll be back. This is super cute. The flower kissing booth, 25 cents a kiss. I like those little things under there too. What is those, like sculptures? What is this? I wonder what's going inside here. Love, love. Cute. Miss Candles. Cute. Heart-shaped pot. Here they got little drinks over here. Cups. Cute. Sit with love straws, cute. Champagne glasses, cute. Excuse my bag, child, and my bra hanging out. I got my bag everywhere with me like I'm homeless. They definitely added these pink pillows because they didn't have these pink. They actually got a new couch too, because they had a blue couch, but they got a new couch. Cute. Cute. Balloons, cute. I know it's about to be a vibe because it's always a vibe with the girls. Okay, Lala did her bathroom. This is cute, Lala. Mind y'all, this bathroom was Hello Kitty. La La Land, girl, please. This bathroom was Hello Kitty, but she done did Juicy Couture now. That's cute. Cute. No trespassing. Girls only. Boys not allowed. Dolo did her bathroom. Dolo ain't really do nothing to her bathroom but clean up, because her bathroom usually just look like this. Y'all know Dolo is a mom, so yeah, this Dolo bathroom cute. I'm about to take a shower in Dolo shower, trust. All right, y'all, so me and Lala in the car. Lala got me zipped up, got on a sweater, jacket. Won't get sick on Lala watch.
Thank you.
What did that phone tell you?
Yeah.
That's cute. Let the camera see. We about to go.
Not real hair, actually.
What?
BB on her.
Oh, wait, mine's BB too. We about to go get something from Lala Man, but
Lala don't got him, man. Don't tell the people that. Lala got me.
I'm gonna keep this.
I'm gonna keep it right in. No, I'm gonna keep it right in. I'm gonna keep it right in the vlog. I got a trip to go to. Okay.
Lala
Hey.
Lala do not have mans. That's a lie. Lala is in the love. But yeah. So I got my makeup appointment at 8 o'clock, but right now we're about to go somewhere quick. Then we coming right back, but we need to talk because I need to.
There's a lot of tea need to be
There's a lot of tea need to be said, and I need to be quickly. Be right back. Y'all, it's literally 1 hour before the Galentine, and Lala doesn't have nothing to wear.
Why you fucking lying? It's 7:39.
So we are
You don't got time for that, bitch. I'm
at Didi's. We are at Didi's to get her cicleta outfit. We at, wait, hold up. We at what, Lala? Where we at?
That is. We at Dickies. Ooh. My brother with me. Come on, brother.
Yo, what?
My big brother.
Oh, you go with this, Lala. You go with this, Lala.
I think it's sick back. Working? Cause bitch, you ask him a question, they acting like you just so motherfucking dumb.
Ask her, do she feel like working?
Do you feel like working? Okay, ma'am. So can you tell me where the stuff at? All right. So this is.
This how Renee be.
Okay. So boom.
Outfit checks.
Shoes. Okay.
Dior.
Broke Dior's. Okay.
Dior.
Okay.
Bag.
It's not Dior. It's Okay. Door. All right.
Dior shoes. Jacket. I got another sweater under this. Dress.
Girl, you look a hot fucking mess. You look a hot mess. I love your hot mess. And I love you.
Outfit check.
My man white tee. My Lulu. And them little Raven Studios claws.
You don't even like Mickey Mouse.
I don't care for no damn thing. I'm a
Hello Kitty. I already told him in the
Hello Kitty type of
vlog.
girl.
That's too big. Man, Lala just got back to the crib. Y'all see I am still wrapped up. I will not get sick again. Alright y'all, so I am currently putting off from Lala's. I gotta go get my makeup done. I was supposed to be in there at 8:15. It's 8:44. Oopsie. It's 8:44, but the Galentine starts at 10, so that's fine. I'll be right back. But y'all, it's this song called Stay Down. I don't know who with it. It's a song that be on TikTok, and I don't know who sing it, but I found it on YouTube. It be like, one thing that I adore, you stay down with me. I love that song. Like, and it's so crazy because I'm the type of person, like, I don't have to be in a relationship to like a song. Like, music is just my therapy. Like, I could listen to a song and I would just absolutely love it. And that song just talk about like a man being down at his lowest and the girl stay down with him, whatever like that. And y'all know I'm a hopeless romantic, so. But he's like, one thing that I adore, you stay down with me. Hold on, I'm gonna tell y'all who's singing right now. It's Cold G, Stay Down. It's Cold G, Stay Down. When I tell y'all, I love that song. I listen to that song every day. It's a full moon out. Lala's so slow, y'all. Lala said, let me roll up this window a little bit because I ain't been running no AC, no nothing. I am not trying to get no more. Like, I'm not playing. I got on all these clothes and it's hot and I ain't been, we was just riding in the car talking. And I told Lala, I said, girl, don't put on no AC in here, please. Like, we did not, the whole time we was riding around, going store to store, we did not have the AC on. When it got hot, we just cracked the windows a little bit, but we did not have the AC on. She talking about, that means we're a witch. A witch? Lala? A witch? Because both our cycle on the full moon? You talking about, yeah, that's spiritual. That means we spiritual. I get so tired of Lala with these 111, 1111. What's your zodiac sign? Girl, Lala is in a fucking zodiac and spiritual psychosis. But yeah, I'm about to go get my makeup done real quick. And I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So I just got to the prettyologist. Y'all already know who do my makeup. Y'all always ask and I always tell y'all. The Prettyologist Instagram. If you're in Miami, if you're in Broward, if you're in Boast Dakota, if you're in Alaska, when you come to Miami, The Prettyologist. My girl got her new shop, Trust. That is my purse over there. My girl, do. Wait, what is that? Paper towel?
Yeah.
My girl did got her paper towel. The booster must be came from. Oh no, you just came from Costco, right? Yeah, my girl did just came from Costco.
What have you become? That's what you've been. I was blind, I was in it, I was bad. Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior, that's what she is ashamed of you. Damn, look at what you become. Matter of fact, what you've been. I was jealous, man. I was just so in it. I was just so committed. No, I don't regret it. I learned what love is once I let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go. But you doing too much and you don't go. And I know it's you when you try to hold on to my attention. Won't you let it go? Let it go, let it go, let it go. Cause you doing so much and you trying too hard, trying to get a reaction. I am a child, so I cannot be touched. You have something big good and you want it bad and you need it. I don't want to be feeling dead, so I said that I was needed. I thought you would be real, I thought you would be right. Talking out that tough shit, think you gon' go down.
To buy content for today. My girl got the BMF concert tomorrow. By the time y'all get this it's gonna be the BMF over, but yeah, y'all already know the vibes. Cute little XO heart, little quick little cute little Galentine girl makeup, and we off to the races. I just got to the house and there's no more parking left, which leads me to believe everybody is here, and I'm the only one who's not. Oh, this man ain't trying to kidnap me. What the fuck you doing? Which leads me to believe that everybody's already here, so let's get up these goddamn stairs.
keep on going back to you. See, my days are cool without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on going back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bump me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cool without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cool without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong.
Y'all, can I really just be vulnerable with y'all for a second? I really enjoyed my night at the Galentine with the girl, but I got in this car ride at 3 a.m. and that damn Jasmine Sullivan hurt me so good came on, and I couldn't do nothing but cry. Like, y'all know my little situation that I'm dealing with, and it was just like, I know this not gonna be lasting forever. I know this like just temporary feels, but I actually do want to feel this feeling. Like, I want to be able to be vulnerable enough with myself and soften up with myself to say, this is an emotion that I'm feeling. This is what I feel. I feel hurt. Like, and not trying to downplay my hurt and just like act all mad and all tough, girl, you know? So, girl, I had to take that car ride and I had to cry. It's a little funny now, but I had to take that car ride and I had to cry. And I just like let it all out, like, girl, lashes falling out of everything. But thank y'all so much for watching the Galentine. I really, really, really love y'all.